Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the iPhone 14. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. Next, remove the broken camera lens glass. First, apply gentle heat to soften the adhesive. Then carefully remove the broken pieces. This process takes time. Be patient and avoid touching or damaging the inner camera module. Next, clean the camera lens area and the camera surface. Finally, place the new camera lens glass into position and secure it properly. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.